Good evening, good evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Is everything clear? Are you able to see whatever is written in the PPT? Is the question slide clear? Let me know in the chat. Okay. So this is the question that we were discussing. Give it a go. Try and solve this. Give it a go. Let me know the answer in the chat. Okay, I still don't see any answers in the chat. Quickly, do it quickly. It's not a very difficult question. You just have to visualize it a little. The second you draw this, it will be crystal clear. No, Arun, no. That's not the answer. Yeah, Chinju. Perfect answer. Perfect. No, Ankur. Uh, Arun had the same answer. Think about it a little more. Think about it a little more. Yes, Chinju. Yeah, perfect, perfect. Okay, 30 more seconds, just 30 more seconds. Okay, yeah. Let's look at the diagram for a bit. Okay, so first you have a triangle ABC where AB equals AC, and that is 8 centimeters. So first let's draw isosceles triangle. It is isosceles, I know that for sure, because it says that two of the sides are of the same length. So let's call this A, B, and C. This is my triangle. This is of 8 centimeters. This is of 8 centimeters. Now, a circle is drawn with BC as the diameter and it passes through A. So, I have a circle like this. It passes through A like this. Let's just draw a rough diagram first. I'll make it a little bit more clear, but let's just draw a rough diagram first. Here BC is the diameter. It may not look like so in the diagram first of all, but let's just draw a rough diagram first. Okay, then it says that another circle is drawn with center A which passes through B and C. So it says that there's a circle which where the center is A and it passes through both B and C. So something like this. Something like this. Now this looks like a very hazy, very uneven type diagram. Okay, what will the best way be to be to draw some a figure like this? Would be if you were to would be it would be if you were to rotate this by 90 degrees. What I mean by this is, suppose let's first draw a circle. Okay, let's first draw a circle, and it says that in this circle, this is the diameter that I've just drawn, and these are the two sides. This is A, okay, this is B, and this is C. And also now there's a second circle where A is the center and it passes through B and C. So something like this. Okay, and what do I have to find out? I have to find out the area in centimeter square of the overlapping region between these two circles. One is this circle, right? And the other is this circle. What is the area that is common in these two? What that is common in these two? This area, which area is this? It is this area, right? This is the area that I have to find out. Okay. Initially, what am I able to see over here? What combination of areas do I have to take in order to make this? Quickly tell me in the chat. What is this area? How can I make it as a combination of two different areas? In the chat, I'm waiting for the answers. Okay, Varun says area of circle 1 minus area of circle 2. No, Varun, because if I take this entire area and I subtract this entire area, I will get a negative value if you think about it, because the area of circle 2 is it is like way more than the area of the smaller circle. Okay, Chinju says that half of first circle's area plus minus segment created by chord BC in the second circle. Perfect answer, Chinju. Perfect. So what do I have to take? First I have to take this area. First I have to take this, which is this area, this, right? Sorry, I'm sorry, this area, which is the half of this smaller circle. It is right because BC is the diameter and this is the half of this circle. So I have to take the area of the semicircle ABC. Sorry, area of semicircle ABC plus. Now I have taken this much area. I need this much this area more. The one that I'm shading over here. This one, the one with vertical lines and this thing. This I have to take more. What is this? This is it not the area of this sector? Area of this sector minus the area of this triangle. Minus the area of this triangle. That is the area of this segment. This is called a segment, right? So this is the area that I need. First, let's take out this area of this semicircle. What will be the required measurements? What do I need? Initially, what do I need? Initially, I need the length of this radius. I need this length. How will I take out this length? Quickly in the chat, tell me, how will I take out this length? Do I know this length? I've only been given one thing so far, and that is what? That is this this length, which is 8. AB and AC is 8. That is all I've been given. Quickly tell me in the chat, how else can I find this required area? Wait, I'm waiting for the answers in the chat. Still waiting. Think about it. Think about it. That is just the radius. That is the side BC. The half of the side the side BC of this triangle. How can I take this length out? Yes, perfect, Chinju. So what this is can I see that this is a right angle triangle? This ABC is a right angle triangle. Why is this a right angle triangle? Because there's a property in circles that if I take the diameter of the circle and I subtend an angle on the circumference of the circle, taking this something like this, where this thing is the diameter of the circle, this angle will always be 90 degrees. So I can see from here also, since BC is the diameter and it is subtending something on the circumference, so this angle will always be 90 degrees. Okay. Yes, perfect, Chinju. That's the property. Yeah. So I know that this length is 8 and this length is 8, so I can take this length out. What can I say? What will this length be? This length will be root under of 8 square plus 8 square. Will it not be? Right? So I can say that 8 square plus 8 square is what? Is BC square. And what is 8 square plus 8 square? It is 64 plus 64, which is 128. So root 128. And what is root 128? What is root 128? Quickly tell me, what is root 128? Quickly tell me, very easy. What can you write root 28 as? I'm seeing if you're able to remember how to solve roots like these. No answers so far. What happened? This is 8 root 2. This is 8 root 2. What did I do over here? I broke this down as 64 into 2 and under root. So 64 root under is what? 8, and then I'm left with root 2. So this BC is this much. So how much will the radius be? It will be the half of this. So the radius I get as 4 root 2. The radius of the circle I got as 4 root 2. So what will the area of this semicircle be? It is pi r square by 2, which gives me what? 16 into 2, that is 32 by 2. 32 pi by 2, I'm sorry. So that gives me 16 pi. So this area is 16 pi. Now I have to take out the area of this. What will the area of this be? It will be the area of this entire sector. What will be the area of this entire? What is the formula initially for the sector? It is 360 pi by 360 pi r square, right? By pi by square. And what is theta over here? It is 90. So 90 by 360 gives me what? 1 by 4 pi. And what was r? I just took it out. What was r? R was 4 root 2. Right? And r square will give me what? R square will give me r square will give me sorry, 16 into 2, that is 32. So I got what? 8 pi from here. I got 8 pi from here. Okay. Now, this is the area of this entire sector. Of this entire sector. Now, what do I have to do? From this entire sector, I have to remove this thing. From this entire sector, I have to remove this area of this triangle. Right? What will the area of this triangle be? I have to take out the this thing initially. Acha, quickly tell me the area of this triangle. Quickly, just the answer, not the entire process. Quickly tell me the area of this triangle. It's very easy. I know the base. I have to take out the altitude. Quickly do it. One second. Uh, did we do something wrong here? I feel like we did something. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this was 8 pi. Yeah. Go on. Nothing. Still waiting for the answers. Okay, now is it visible behind me? Now is it visible behind me? I had written some things over there as well. Yeah. So is everyone 32? 32? No, Kushagar, no. It's not 32. Okay, everyone is fine till here, till 16 pi. Everyone is fine till here, right? Till 16 pi. Now, what is 16 pi? 16 pi is the area of the semicircle. Now I have to add this area, the area of this segment as well. So what will the area of the segment be? It will be the area of this entire sector minus the area of this triangle. So hold on, let me remove this. Let's discuss this again because it is a little confusing. Let's discuss this entire thing again. Okay, this little thing. Yeah. So what do I have? I have the area of the semicircle now. Now I have to find the area of the segment. What is the area of the segment? First, let's find the area of the sector because from then that I will remove the area of this triangle. Okay, what is the area of this thing? It is pi by 360 into, sorry, theta by 360 into pi r square. What is theta over here? It is 90. So 90 by 360 gives me 1 by 4 into pi into r square. What is r for this? I just took it out. This. So what is the square of this? What is the square of this? It is 16 into 2. 16 into 2 gives me what? 32. So this gives me what? This gave me 8 pi. This gave me 8 pi. Did it not? Now I have to find the area of this triangle. What will the area of this triangle be? Is what type of triangle is this initially? What type of triangle is this? This triangle is a right angle triangle. And what is the formula for the area of a triangle? It is half into base into altitude. Now I know the base on the and the altitude of this. How do I know that? Because since it is a right angle triangle, the base and the altitude will be the two sides that are other than the hypotenuse, and they are both given to be what? They are both given to be 8, right? They are both given to be 8, right? So yeah, they are both given to be 8. So what do I do over here now? It is the area of this thing is half into 8 into 8, which gives me what? Which gives me 32. So in total, what do I have? I have I'm writing it over here. Okay, 1 second. I'll just remove a little bit of parts so that I can write the entire thing. I'll remove this. Okay. So I have 1 second. Yeah. So I have 16 pi plus 16 pi minus this area, which is 32. This is what 32 pi minus 32. So if I took 32 pi common, sorry, 32 common, I'd be left with pi minus 1, and that is the answer. Is it in the options? Yes, it is. I want you to now, since you have seen all these steps, I want you to go through all these steps again on your own. I want to solve. I want you to solve it from the starting again, because there were a lot of steps involved in this question. Okay, go through this a little and let me know if there are any doubts. Okay, if there are any doubts, just go through this. Just try and solve this on your own once. Okay, just try and solve this on your own once. Till that time, I'll give you the next question as well. So this is your next question. Hold on. Yeah, do this. This is the next question. Do this. Okay. This in this also you'll have to figure out the diagram of this thing. You'll have to figure out the diagram of this thing. Visualize it a little, and then you'll be able to solve it. still waiting for the answers.